Intro music RoamTips.com jingle. Hey everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today we're going to show you how to unlock a whole new world of content by watching UK Netflix on your Apple TV. It's easier than you think. Transition to screen recording. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is get a VPN on our Apple TV. This lets us change the region and access the UK Netflix library. First, go to the home screen on your Apple TV where you see all your apps. Then, navigate to the App Store and click on it. Once you're in the App Store, go to the search icon. It's usually at the top. We're going to search for a VPN. In this video, I'm using IPVanish VPN, but there are other options available. Just type in IPVanish. It should look like this on your screen. Click on it to see more details. To download it, scroll to the top and click the Get button. This will download IPVanish to your Apple TV. Once it's downloaded, click Open. The first time you open IPVanish, you'll see this privacy screen. Read through the information and then click Get Started. Now you'll be at the login screen. Enter your IPVanish account details and click Login. Important. If you don't have an IPVanish account yet, use the link in the description below or in the pinned comment for an exclusive discount. Seriously, check it out. After logging in, you'll be asked to create a VPN configuration profile. Just click Allow. Now you're ready to use IPVanish. To access UK Netflix, we need to connect to a UK server. You can either scroll through the server list or use the search icon to find a UK server. Once you've found the server you want, click on it. After a few seconds, you should be successfully connected. Now, go back to the home screen of your Apple TV. Transition to Netflix app.
Let's open Netflix.
After you've signed in and selected your profile, voila, you're now watching UK Netflix. See? It says Top 10 TV programs in the UK today. That confirms we're in the UK library. Just select a show and start watching.
Outro.
And that's all there is to it. Remember to use the link in the description or pinned comment for an exclusive discount on IPVanish. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to RoamTips.com for more awesome travel and tech tips. This was based on my personal experience. Your results may vary. See you in the next video.
Outro musique, roamtips.com jingle fade out.